Hallo Internet. I'm Hans. And today I want to talk about German humor and comedy. There's a big misconception in the world that Germans are not humorous and not funny. That's just not true. The Germans are very, very humorous and funny. First of all, I think that the people think of the Germans as not being funny. That's not because of the language barrier, but that the German humor is very, very subtle. It's very, very subtle because then it's very condensed. When it's condensed, it's very, very efficient. Also, a study by the Humor Institute of Germany, HIC, has concluded that the German does around 5 LOL in a minute. LOL is a standard norm for comedy. It just means pun in a minute. Nothing very special. Everybody in Germany does jokes all the time. Have you listened to a speech of Angela Merkel, our Chancellor? It's just hilarious to watch her. So, to present to you and show you the German humor and comedy, I want to tell you a famous international joke in the traditional German way. Wait for it. You will laugh out loud and roll on the floor laughing. Just wait for it. Here it comes. The aristocrats. That's the whole joke. It's just the punchline. But that's how efficient it is. So I guess you're on the floor laughing. I hope you got up. And then I want to give you a little advice. So try those German jokes out on the next party. So when I do that, I always get like astonished looks by the people. And afterwards, I notice that the people, and especially the women, are talking about me and my jokes. That's something very special. So try it out. I hope that in the future, the next time you think about the Germans, that you don't think about the Germans as not being not funny. I hope that you think about our good cars, our good beer, our beautiful woman and our proud history. Maybe not the history, but I guess you get my point. So, till next time, goodbye Internet, and keep on laughing.